Here is our pedagogical practice, IRIS Connect experiment video blog. Previous research has shown the importance of reflection in teacher training. In many countries, including Estonia, microteaching as a teacher training technique for learning teaching skills employs real teaching situations for developing skills and helps to get deeper knowledge regarding the teaching. Microteaching and video recorded microteaching promotes also collaborative learning. Despite of the fact that we have used microteaching and video stimulated recordings or reflection opportunities at the course pedagogical practice in our teacher training program, we still felt that our students' voice needs to be listened according to the video recording their microteaching lessons or sessions and their lessons, and we also wanted to find the alternatives for the current situation where students who are teacher students have the same task in the pedagogical practice course, the microteaching task, as the students who have no teaching experience at school yet. We felt that we need to find some alternatives for working teachers. So based on this, we designed our research, our experiment. And this study aims to find out what are the students' experiences of using video for analyzing microteaching and teaching at school by using IRIS Connect environment, and to collect suggestions from students how to improve the efficiency of learning from real-time teaching experiences through teaching and video analysis in teacher education. And we posed two research questions. First one, what are the students' experiences of using video for analyzing microteaching and teaching at school by using IRIS Connect video environment? And what suggestions do students have to enhance opportunities to learn from microteaching and real-time teaching at school in teacher education? And we used IRIS Connect video-based professional learning platform for recording, sharing and commenting the videos. The Discovery Kit was used. It includes two iPads with tripods, two iPods with attached microphones, and all four devices used the IRIS Connect app to synchronize audio and video and automatically upload the videos to the account for reflection and sharing. The research was carried out with 26 teacher students. 10 of them were working as teachers at school. 6 of them were physical educational education curricula students, and 20 were from the primary school teacher of several subjects curricula. We collected data through pre-questionnaire and post-questionnaire. We used Google Forms for that, and we also recorded all the videos, microteaching and school teaching lessons, and also the reflections, immediate reflections after the lessons, and also all the peer feedback, written peer feedback in IRIS Connect environment. And we used qualitative content analysis for analyzing the data. All in all, our experiment looks like in the figure. So we had induction seminar, then students had microteaching, and after the microteaching session they did the self-reflection, and also immediate feedback was given by peer students and also from the teacher. And a week later, teacher student also reflected in the written form in the IRIS Connect environment, looking back on the lessons through video. On the phase 3, teachers who were already teachers at school recorded their lessons, uploaded in the IRIS Connect environment, And they did the self-reflection there, and also peer feedback and teacher feedback was provided. And as the last part, we asked our students to fill in post-questionnaire. And the results. The first research question was, what are the students' experiences of analyzing microteaching and school lessons using the IRIS Connect environment? Our students wrote that the second view is very important. It is important to look back on the microteaching or school lesson through video to see what they do well and where is the need for their development or improvement, and especially communication with students, body language and the choice of words was pointed out. And also the videos gave them opportunities for learn from peers. So peers as a role model was pointed out. The ideas of teaching techniques to start using in their practice was important for our students, and also what to avoid when looking at course-mates lessons, what to do, what not to do, what they see their peers to do in the lessons. Microteaching was the opportunity to try new methods, so it was useful for our students, and it was pointed out that it provides an opportunity to amplify programs. So you can prepare yourself in a more hard way for the real school life. And school lessons, of course, was a real life experience, so learning from the real life is valuable. When asking about IRIS Connect, then IRIS Connect was suitable environment for analysis for our students. It was said that it was easy to learn and use, and the quality of videos and also the voice and the picture was good and helped to see what was going on in the lessons. The second research question was, what suggestions do students have to enhance the opportunity to learn from microteaching and real-time school teaching experience in teacher education? Our participants expressed that using videos for educational purposes is important and should be done more than we do nowadays in our teacher training programs. Students suggested to proceed in the same way, so conducting microteaching or mini lessons and school lessons. It is alternative and it gives opportunity to learn from both experiences. Supportive attitude of the lecturer and the creation of the relaxed atmosphere was mentioned to be essential. Because some of the students were afraid of presenting themselves in front of the video or video recordings. So supportive atmosphere, relaxed atmosphere is very important. And here are some quotes from our participants. Some may find it unpleasant or uncomfortable, but we can't learn otherwise. Seeing yourself and being able to watch later gives you the opportunity to evaluate and analyze your own behavior. And it is important for the teacher to see themselves, their attitudes, communication and attitudes towards students in order to make corrections and improve the learning environment at school. Here is the model we are going to use next year in our pedagogical practice course. So first we have induction seminar, then students do microteaching. We still use IRIS Connect. Students can give immediate feedback or can get immediate feedback from course mates and from teachers, and before that they can reflect by themselves. And a week later they can and they can do self-reflection using the video uploaded in the IRIS Connect environment. And then feedback from teachers and course mates is also provided. And for teachers who are already working at school, they can record their school lessons, and after that, self-reflection, course mates feedback, and teacher feedback is also provided. And to sum it up, it is concluding seminar where all the teachers can share what they have learned and what are the improvement points for them. So, in conclusion, how did the experimentation go? How was the flow of using technology, and how successful was the experimentation? The experiment was a success. Both the students and also I as a lecturer thought it was valuable. Recording, uploading videos and commenting worked very well on IRIS Connect, so we are going to use it in the future as well. And IRIS Connect platform enables to make teaching and learning experience more diverse for students and lecturers. It lets students practice creation of videos and help them overcome their fears, and it gives them courage to use the videos in the future work. And also, very important, to learn from each other. That was all.